So we are at the Mad Polish people. They were mad.
I think they probably have a bit nicer name than that.
Oh, really? Well, the thing is, though, the reason why we think they're mad is they actually built that 126 that you can just see behind the engine hoist there at the show last year. So that came in parts.
Yeah.
And they drove it out.
Yeah, they were in the stand next to us, and we were watching them all weekend
Yeah.
do it. They did a terrific job.
So
and they cheered massively when we got it started.
But the thing is, though, you can probably see now what this year's project is.
Oh my days!
Yeah, it's a
and
Polonez.
Here are the parts.
Oh God, yes.
Yeah, we have 3 days for the build-up to.
Yeah, because we were here last year and we watched you build this one. And
this year we bring a little bit more complicated.
Yeah.
It's a FSO Polonez, 1987.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and was rebuilt that much which we could, and.
So this is going to be assembly time?
Yes. Oh,
okay.
Yeah.
Well, good luck with
Around
it.
27 people will be engaged in that.
Okay. Wow. Well, we're here all weekend at the other side of the hall, so we'll call over and see how you get on.
Oh, definitely.
All right. See you later. Bye. So if you remember from our first day, we came over to the Polish group who were building an FSO Polonez.
And let's go see if they've done it, shall we?
Okay, these seats are way better. I had a 125p. These seats are way better.
Do you like the trim?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
You did it. That sounds sweet.
Yeah.
That sounds
very
lovely.
sweet.
That sounds really sweet. The trim is gorgeous. That's really, really good work. Especially that.
In fact, he went somewhere to the shop to buy something, and he wasn't here for half an hour, and we didn't know what to do. We're like, okay, we don't know where to go next.
That's very cool.
Yeah, but no, the thing is, there was like 20 of us who were working on it, and out of 20, there was only one guy.